garden people, this is the Hydrangea Lady, and today I will be harvesting this lovely lot of zinnias. I planted these zinnias from seed and they went from seed to flower in about 6 weeks, which is absolutely insane. They bloomed so quickly. These are the Queen Lime Blush zinnias, which are a lime color with bits of pink throughout. However, before I planted these, I had the zinnia sunbow mix in this planter, and it seems like one of the red flowers volunteered itself in this pot. It must have seeded itself, and that's why there's a random lot of red. I love that these flowers are cut and come again, so you can harvest them and then continue to receive more and more blooms throughout the growing season. This is my first harvest of this bunch, so I'm excited to see how quickly I'll be able to harvest them again and about how many bunches of flowers I can make. I just love how easy these are to grow. I direct sowed the seeds in the planter they're in and kept it in full sun, making sure to keep the soil moist so the plant stays healthy and beautiful. In the midst of a 2-month span of triple-digit weather, these did great. Here you can see I'm arranging the flowers in this vase. I'm just making sure to remove the leaves off of the flower stems before I place them in the water. And I also added a bit of flower food into the vase. Even though I didn't mean to plant this red zinnia, I think this rusty red color is so beautiful for fall. In total, I harvested about 30 blooms and made 1 small bouquet and 1 larger bouquet. So easy and so beautiful, and a great homegrown gift for friends and family. I hope everyone gets to grow some zinnias in their garden at some point. XOXO, the Hydrangea Lady.